As you might can tell by my voice not matching my face right now, I'm doing a voiceover because the wind decided to absolutely destroy the intro clip. So here I am yapping away, doing a great job at that, but how about let's go ahead and skip ahead. Jacob's 2016, I think it is. 3-inch level, 35-inch graps. It's about to be what this thing's looking like. I'm gonna be honest, we putting graps on this thing today. Black wheels going goodbye. Prius going 3 miles an hour to the DMV. Unfortunately, it's time to pay sales tax, boys. Similar to this guy having Whoa Horsey on his Mustang, we got to get a clever tag on the VMAX. I honestly kind of just want to get just VMAX, but I feel like the chances of that being available are probably slim to none. What do y'all think?
0, 4, exit window 1.
Well, praise the Lord, we didn't have any issues with getting our tag and the title and everything, but unfortunately, VMAX is taken. Plus, I'm fixing to have to do my tag renewal in the next couple months, so we got to come up with a custom tag before then. Didn't want to waste my money and get something I didn't like anyway, so drop the comments. What kind of tag should we get? Maybe VMAX will become available. Probably not, but we gotta get something. We can't just have a normal freaking tag. What the crap? It looks like garbage. We gotta get the barbers custom. Let me know. Drop your ideas in below. You already know we had to snag some hunt bros. This thing has been on black wheels for long enough. The graps are just sitting over there collecting dust. Why the crap would we not put them on here? Holy crap. That's gonna look absolutely killer. Hopefully it doesn't rub as bad as Shorty did with these. It probably will, because it's probably pretty much the exact same fender well design, but this is one of my favorite setups I've ever had. Stock Chevy wheels, 35-inch graps, can't go wrong with it. OG combination with the 3-inch leveling kit. Let's put them on there, see what it looks like. Well, I apologize in advance for the wind noises y'all are about to experience because I forgot my mic and we have some crazy wind gusts going on. But I passed by here the other day and I was like, yep, we got to come out there for some B-roll, end the video off. Knox is currently picking cotton. But let's check out the VMAX, dude. It looks just perfect. Honestly, perfect. If I had one truck and one wheel and tire setup with suspension to run for the rest of my life, this is it. 3-inch leveling kit, stock 20s, 35-inch graps. It can't be beat. I don't care what 80-inch lift there is out there. This is just forever and always my favorite setup on a truck. It just looks so freaking good. So let's do a nice little walk around. Got the old stubby extendo short bed looking right. It's crazy the difference, just wheels and tires, man. And not being on black wheels, which I did see a lot of comments saying leave black wheels on it because it matches good with the red, and I agree, but not on an LTC that has chrome bits and pieces all over it. You gotta have, these aren't even chrome, but you know, polished cleared wheels. We gotta get some chromes for sure. Well, yeah, polished wheels was the goal for this, and it is gonna be probably the next video. I'm gonna miss it. I haven't even taken it off, but this is day one of the VMAX on the mud grabs, and I'm gonna enjoy it because this is gonna be the new daily. It rides really good, 3-inch level with the lift uppers, freshly aligned. I guess my graps are still balanced out since getting them done. 35s didn't really weigh it down much at all. Seems to drive pretty much exactly like it did before. And we are going to do a little performance test and see how fast the stock VMAX is before we do any performance mods. So we'll throw the stock trail wheels back on there for that. It's probably down quite a bit on performance with these compared to stock, so we wouldn't want to do that. And this is not the end goal setup, but dadgummit, I would like to run it for a while. I'm so sad they didn't have the VMAX tag available in really any configuration. I didn't want to do like 6.0 VMAX or anything weird like that. So I don't know. Drop a comment if you got something clever to throw on there. I'm excited for more stuff on this truck for sure, especially this rear bumper. I've got something special. Hopefully in the next couple of videos for y'all on that. Hopefully it works out like I think it will. We definitely gotta get that guy off. Knox is freaking whooping himself picking cotton out there. He got a big old pile of it. But we rubbed a little bit on this front piece right here, right there. Seemed to have cleared here. I haven't turned it sharp enough, I guess, to touch back there. But this is probably the worst body style for 35s. Unlike the previous, like Chomper, just crank the keys up some, stocks 35s, and just freaking drive it lock to lock. At least my experience with my trucks, but not the case on the old 900s. They got pretty skinny fender wells, and so probably gonna have to end up trimming some. But hasn't hit the valance yet, so that's on there. We'll probably take that off as well, just to give it a little more sporty look, especially with the next setup, which is gonna give the truck another complete new look, because it's the look that I had picked out for this thing before. Right now, she's aggressive. She looks great, but it's, you know, I want it to be a little more sporty without spoiling it. A little more sporty. Got a big enough pile?